Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you useful ways on how to reset the sound settings here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you can do is aligning your taskbar. You can see there a speaker icon. Do a right click and proceed to sound settings. So the moment you click on it, before you do a reset in your sound settings, make sure that the correct output device is selected, and might as well here at the input device, make sure that you have selected the correct microphone device. Once done, scroll down and proceed to all sound devices. Here, you can able to see all the output devices as the input devices present in your Windows or computer. So here's the catch. You need to select the correct device, the proper device that you want to reset with. Okay? Or simply click anywhere. Just select again. And let's say, for example, you want to do a reset in the speakers under the output device. Simply click on it. And under the properties, proceed to check for driver updates and go with check for updates. So in that manner, you would be eventually redirected to the update of devices. And in that manner, you would be able to reset the sound settings of that particular device here in your Windows or computer. Just have to restart your computer, and in that manner, you would be successfully reset your sound settings. Okay, so that's the very first step that you can do. And the second step that you can do with is you need to press Windows and R key together. Again, it is Windows and R key together. Here you need to type services.msc, then click on OK. Okay, so once you are being redirected here at the services, you need to select anywhere of the service and system and type W in your keyboard. And you need to look for Windows Audio. Okay, mark that by selecting, do a right click, and go with restart. So in that manner, once you have click on restart, you have just successfully reset your sound settings. So just have to restart your computer in order to make any changes. Once done, go back here in the services window, and this time you need to proceed to the second one, which is Windows Audio Input Builder. Do a right click again and go with restart. Once done, close this window once again, and you need to restart your computer to make any changes. So in that manner, you have just successfully do a reset in your sound settings. Okay, so the last method that I could recommend you in order to reset the sound settings in your Windows is aligning your taskbar again. You can see there a speaker icon, do a right click, proceed to sound settings. And this time in our sound settings, we need to scroll down, and there you can see more sound settings under the advanced. Click this arrow icon. Okay, so here you would be able to see all the present devices, the sound devices present in your computer. Here you need to select the device that you want to reset with. Okay, and go with properties. And under the speaker properties, go with advanced. And here you can see the restore defaults. Just have to click this. I mean, the reason why in my case it is grayed out is because I am using this speakers as my default. I'm using it now, that's why it is grayed out. But if in your case you are not using such, then this restore defaults would function. Just have to click on it, and there you go. You would be able to reset the sound settings. Okay, so this is the third method that you can do. Okay, so just have to close this window and then you restart your computer, and there you go. You have just successfully reset the sound settings in your Windows. Okay, so those are the three methods on how you can do a sound settings reset. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.